You're the master.
My plumber gut is telling me opposite. Get your hands dirty. Little nubbin.
Job is kicking my butt. Yeah, we're not even close to being done. Oh my goodness. Finally.
Chancho's here.
Man, what a beautiful day.
Ugh. What is this? Oh.
This is disgusting. So it snows like an inch and then it decides it's gonna rain.
Awesome.
That's gross. Some gross stuff. And we gotta stop. First thing this morning at 7, I'll get to change a wax ring, toilet's leaking. So, gonna pull that, reset it, all that good stuff. And the rest of the day, doing some remodel plumbing. Yeah, they're just gonna be changing some stuff around in their bathroom, and we'll be there the rest of the day. Just have to wait and see what you find. The snapper, my favorite tool. This is my very favorite tool. Well, there is always the band song. That's pretty nice as well. The snapper! The torture device. Shower sample. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. Yeah, this is good. It's gonna impress my customers. They're gonna be like, I'll pay double for that now.
You're like real impressed.
Dude, I'm real impressed. These are nice.
My gosh.
$6:45. Off to the races. Morning.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where do you want to start? You want to start downstairs? You want to start with the toilet?
Yeah, let's look downstairs once.
Right back there.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, we'll pull that toilet and see what we find.
Yeah.
Definitely something going on there.
Get your hands dirty. Oh yeah. Check that. Bolt's completely loose. Toilet rocks.
Get in there.
It's pretty,
Deteriorated.
pretty toasted.
Toasted. Yeah, that's rough, dude. I think we probably cut it underneath and just replace the whole thing.
That's what we're gonna do. I'll grab the Sawzall.
The bandsaw.
The bandsaw, yeah. Yummy. Yummy. Where are you? I want you to be my boo. It's something crunchy in my mouth. I don't know what it is.
Got it. There.
But we're pretty much awesome, so. And that is why we have a drop cloth. Because I'm messy. What's going on?
I was a little close.
Glue?
Yeah.
Did it go in your eye?
No.
Oh, good.
It was close though.
That's not fun.
No, and I was like, that was a mistake.
Had that happen to a guy I worked with. Yeah. Go get it all flushed out and everything.
Did you go to the hospital or?
Yeah.
Sounds not fun.
Yeah, no, not really.
All up in my goatee here.
Good?
I've got a little crusty on my face, but we're good.
I went upstairs after, cutting all that stuff. It's like, man, I got something crunchy in my mouth. It wasn't there before.
That's not good.
No. Got it?
I believe so.
Now sit on it. And just kind of try to rock it a little bit, just gently. Feel anything?
Not really.
I'm surprised. That front one all the way down, huh? Cool. I'm pretty happy. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Cool. Yeah, that's good. Nice and sturdy pot. Tighten up that seat for him.
Tighten up the seat.
Mm-hmm.
Not that big. Is that on the opposite side?
One of those. Sweet Pete. Just fill that grout line with this caulk.
Okay.
Make it look as good as you can.
Yeah.
Do your best and caulk the rest, our motto.
It's wonderful.
No, our motto is plumbing with purpose.
Okay, yeah, that's a much better motto. And do your best in It's fun to say, though.
It is fun to say.
It's sketchy. It needs to go in there.
Alright, there's the final product down here. All hooked up. If you're wondering why we switched it to PVC, it's because we don't stock ABS, or very little. So, I'm gonna go make an invoice.
Okay.
Can you handle this?
No,
Okay. You go make the invoice then.
I definitely can't handle that.
Just add zeros. When in doubt, just add zeros.
Just add as many zeros as possible. My gosh. You just reset my toilet. You rebuild my whole house. What's going on?
Oh boy, good stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go. About got her?
Yeah, I'm decently happy with it. Sorry.
Let me take a look and see if I'm happy with it.
Okay.
Because that's what really matters.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter how I feel.
It does matter. You matter, Joel. You matter. Yeah, that looks good. As good as it can.
It's a beaut. What do you say?
Bring on the poop.
For real this time.
Thanks again, fellas.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate your business. Man, what a nasty day, man. Makes you want to cry. It makes me want to cry that you want to cry, because I'm a sympathetic crier. So.
Are you?
I kind of am, actually.
Thank you.
I blame Ellie because before I got married, I never cried. Now I cry all the time.
When a man cries, it just hits me a little different.
There's that old flange. Looks good.
Yeah, I think it would work. It's in gear. Brakes fully set.
Dude, what in the world? Are we just sliding?
I don't know.
Is that just a sliding because of weight?
Sliding?
I don't think so. Although maybe it's pretty slick.
Yeah, look.
I think we're good.
We're gonna come out in about 5 minutes and it's gonna be in the neighborhood.
Nah, it'll be fine. And the brakes are on. Hopefully nobody's coming. Just roll out into the street.
Slides down in there, huh?
Yeah, we're good. It ain't going anywhere. Got away. It kind of mangled the dustpan.
It's bent the other way now. I don't like this at all.
Let me get a close-up of that. Wow. Precision laddering.
Can you hand me that drill because I made the mistake of climbing up here?
Why don't you just make a sudden movement and try to grab it?
There's reasons why I haven't.
Ape. What do you think of that gray? You like it?
I like the gray.
Yeah.
Why, do you not like it?
I don't know. It's not the gray we had originally picked.
It's too dark.
It's not the gray we originally picked, but it looks alright.
I like it.
It's too dark.
Sounds like you don't it.
That's exactly what I sound like. It was too dark.
It's too dark.
It's too dark.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. It's too dark. Alright, so putting a shower here, toilet there, sink over there. And it's 10 o'clock. We're just starting. So that's not a good thing.
I know.
Yeah, so basically we gotta get down below here to cut this pipe off. Chancho?
Yeah.
I want this one cut here. Cut there. From there, down. I don't know what's going on down there, so let's leave that. From there down, that goes down, all this is coming out. This pipe, that's coming out. This inch and a half. There's a vent. Here, actually. Hey, can you come in here and watch me?
Yeah.
I want to make sure you actually hear me.
Yeah.
And not just, I wasn't listening.
One time.
Here, this one in there. Here, this side. Here, this side. And then 2 inch, that's not coming out. It's all this 2 inch. Come over here. This line. Does that make sense?
Yep.
I'm gonna go downstairs and see what I can get into down here.
Okay.
It's gonna be harder than I thought too. Gonna be a literal bear. It's above the cabinets, which sucks. Oh, that sucks. Man, this is not gonna be easy. Why did I think it was gonna be so easy? Poor baby is about to get a rude awakening.
Is it asleep?
Yes, she is.
And you're about to be real loud.
Buzzsaw in the kitchen. That's gonna be fun. Hate to tell you this, but I need the Sawzall.
Okay.
Probably from now until eternity.
Okay.
Because I gotta cut that cast iron with this.
Okay.
I can't fit anything else in there.
Okay.
Probably don't have any fresh blades either. Hey Chancho,
Yeah.
I have a task for you. Go to the store and buy 2 of the most expensive blades you can find
For metal.
at this length.
At Ace. Okay.
We're gonna be kind of at the mercy of getting that pipe cut, so sooner we can get that done, the better. Dude.
Oh, that's a mistake.
Oh man, this one is a bear. But we'll get her. But we'll get her. For some reason in my mind, it's gonna be easier than this. It's one of my favorite tools. Cast iron snapper. Such a time saver.
Got 5 tries to get through it.
I've been told these torch things are pretty good,
That
so.
worked good. Well, that's why I
Was this the most expensive?
just a little bit more than the Diablo.
We need an upside down T pointing this way, because I'm gonna bring another vent up this one. We're gonna tie it in the side of it, but it needs to be upside down.
You're saying where the bevel actually goes up
Yeah,
instead of actually down?
yeah. So when you're doing venting, you always gotta think about where is the water coming from. It's a vent, not really supposed to be any water in it, but the roof is where the water's coming from,
Yeah.
because you got an open hole.
Okay.
So it'll come down and you position all your fittings and slope as if there's water coming down there.
Okay.
So your T would go upside down
Okay.
and just point it to the side, and we'll tie that other vent into it then. But put it up pretty high. This ties into a vent back here. Just like I said, water's coming from here. So it needs to slope this flat part, these flat parts
Yeah.
need to have fall back to there.
Back to this one.
Yeah. Because if you'd slope it the other way,
Water would just sit.
water would get trapped in here and it wouldn't be letting any air through.
Okay.
Vents have to be self-draining. You put everything on a 100% flat plane, it would be self-draining. It would never fill up to where it would block off.
Yeah.
So I don't normally do it like that. I usually give it at least a little bit of fall.
A little bit of fall.
But if you ask me, hey, how much fall does this need? I'm just gonna say as long as it's got some, it's good.
It's not like an exact science on
Right.
that one.
I do, however, believe that you can pitch something enough that it looks bad.
Yeah.
So just keep that in mind.
The way that they went.
Excuse me. Tearing up your new shirt.
How am I I don't know. How did that happen?
Got some copper on it.
It's okay. I got 5 more.
Well, as soon as I get this thing cut, we're gonna eat lunch.
Okay. That's fine.
That could be 10 minutes or 10 hours, but
Sounds good.
that's when we'll get lunch.
Okay.
This is taking forever. I'm about a blade's width in. By the way, I'm on my 3rd blade.
You are. It's really eating through that many.
I mean, there might be some life on the other ones yet, but I'm not a very patient person. On the bright side, the Sawzall's smoking.
Like the motor itself.
Yeah.
So next time I go on a drive, should I throw it out the window?
Just pick one up when you're at the hardware store. I'm ready to eat lunch.
Okay.
That thing needs a break. Starting to like
Stink.
jitter.
That gonna be good.
Yep.
It's up high.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Anytime you connect a vent to another vent, it has to be above what is called the flood level rim of the fixture. The flood level rim is the absolute highest it would come before it would spill out.
Yeah.
Right. It's actually got to be 6 inches above that. Coming up this hole for the shower, flood level rim's going to be at like 5 inches, 6 inches maybe.
Yeah.
So we're well above that.
In the end.
And the other vent is coming from the kitchen downstairs, so we're definitely above
We're
that.
definitely above that.
But that's why the T needs to be up there and not like down here or in here. Same thing, you can't go horizontal with a vent before it's above the flood level rim. You have to bring it under the hole and then straight up. Over. We'll see. The thing of it is, it's not like I can like get in there and really put pressure where I need to.
Like, yeah. It's not, you're not getting that angle that the Sawzall, that's what its function is.
Yeah. And I'm like prying on the end of it to put pressure on the far tip.
Yeah.
It's just not.
It's just not going.
Yeah. Ready to get back to it?
More or less.
I say less.
Need me to do anything?
No. Come on. Yes. Right.
Good?
Oh my goodness. The golden piece.
Well done.
Wow. That was a bear. Oh my goodness. Job is kicking my butt. Finally. It's all cut. It's ready for a fern co.
Cool.
Couple rubber pieces. And there's one that looks like a donut, and then there's one that looks like something else. Yeah, that's the one I need. Yeah. Just one. All right. Thanks. Love you. Bye. Hey. Tuncho.
Yeah.
Dump my water jug in here.
Dump your water jug in there?
Yep, the whole thing.
Okay.
Whoa! Why'd you take the lid off, bro?
I was dumping the whole thing.
I didn't say dump water all over me. Fill it up and do it again, but don't spill. Man, I don't like that. That piece is moving. Gosh, that's gonna be tough. I already see water there too. Look at that. Yeah, it's gonna leak for sure. I can't leave it like that. Plans changed.
Plans changed?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is not going right. It's not going well. Gotta get that thing off of there. Hey, hey. Just a second.
Oh, oops, sorry. Well, here's this.
Alright, I better get back at it.
Okay.
I'm having a terrible time, so
I'm sorry.
it's okay.
Pray for you.
Thanks.
Love you.
Love you too.
Be safe.
It's like, I finally got it, but it's not right. It's like something else came loose. I really need to go back further, which I'm super dreading. But
This is your only job today, though, at least.
yeah, we're not even close to being done. Good to see progress. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Almost. Ooh. Yes. Oh my goodness. There it is. Finally. Let's get this lead open. Could have drilled it, but that would have taken a long time too, so I knew there wasn't a bevel on the end. Oh my gosh, dude.
Got it?
I got it.
Proud of you.
See that?
Did I get glue on you?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
I didn't say thank you. But thank you.
Can I got the hammer?
Can
Is
you-
how I was gonna say it?
Can you got the hammer?
Does that make more sense?
No, not really, but there you go.
Thank you for
Gotting you.
Getting got me the hammer.
Oh, make sure this doesn't leak. Yeah, that's what I get. Hey, guess what?
What?
I think we're finally in business. Hey, we're gonna run some pipe now. What do you say? Just believe it or not, I'm gonna glue a piece of pipe. Maybe. Look at that. Somebody actually used duct tape on a duct.
It's duct tape. For real.
It's incredible. I thought it was duct.
Have a pet duck? Isn't it spelled duck?
I thought it was duct.
Is it duct tape?
I don't know.
Have I been calling it the wrong thing my whole life? Their symbol is a duck. My whole life is like a lie now.
Your whole life is a lie. Wow, you poor thing. I feel genuinely sorry for you.
About duck.
Can I have those fittings? Good grief. I'm much happier with that. That ain't gonna leak. Two-inch piece, 2 inches. Dare I say a tutu? A tutu. Pipe looks good. Nice work. Yeah, we're not gonna get this done. It's already 3. It's time to go home. So we at least have to hook that up. Because I'm pretty sure that's the only other shower in the home.
Oh, that shower drains into that.
Yeah, that's a tub right on the other side of that wall. I've kind of had enough of this job for a day. It'd be hard to just hook it up, but I don't want to be here too much longer. So. 3-inch 12. Might be close. That's not quite 12, that's like 10.
Oh,
Don't you think?
probably here. Yeah,
9.5.
pretty darn close.
Man, did I glue that together? I think I did. If I did a real nice job. 'Cause I can't even see the glue. Yeah, there it is.
Man, the humbleness was astounding.
Well, I either forgot to do it completely, or I did it really good. Stand back. Lightning's coming. God's gonna strike me.
Oh, I thought you were about to like blow a big one.
Blow a big one.
Out your butt.
You know, I do that occasionally. Have lots of sloppage. Plenty of sloppage. Turds are gonna be so happy going down through there. They're like, ooh, water slide. It'd be interesting to be some fecal matter for a day. And just take a ride down the sewer system. Wouldn't that be crazy? Kind of dark.
Fun part that you're talking about is going through the
Pippage?
is going through the pipage, but you failed to remember the first part of it. It's going through a human's pipage. I don't think you want to do that. You ruined that baby's life.
You did come along, so.
Statistically, it's a pretty big percentage of your life.
Yeah, dude. Here's something crazy. Which,
Math-wise.
at one point, Charlie had been alive for, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours. I had held her for half of her life.
Yeah, because you held her for an hour.
Over half. It's pretty freaking cool, dude.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it'll make me cry just thinking about it. Pretty freaking cool. Well, I hope they don't ever remodel the kitchen and think, oh, we'll just rip out these headers above the cabinets. They're ugly.
Well, I'll have to do some repipage.
A lot. Boy, you better listen up. Boy.
Well, why? What?
Boy. Gonna need a nutter.
We need another.
Need a nutter. Give me a nutter and do it now. 'Cause I know you want to. So just do it now. Here's a picture of the placenta. What a dork.
Weirdo. That's what I thought. Jake warned me that he probably would do that. And I said, I'm good.
You know, some people like dry that thing out.
And eat it. Yes, I've heard it. Gross. I'm like it's jerky or something. It's the world's grossest beef jerky. That's a no on my list. Oh yeah.
Woo! Almost like I know what I'm doing. Wouldn't want to get too carried away saying stuff like that. That's it, man.
We're not cleaning up.
Happy dough.
Got it.
All we gotta do is run that over, run that up, over, and up, run that up, and over, run that up, over, and up, run these over, back and up. Yeah, I'd say it's time we go. Didn't quite get as far as we'd hoped. Was hoping to get everything done under the floor here. But as you can see, we got the kitchen vent coming up here. That's hooked back up. We got our main 3-inch trunk run over to here. Still need to jump it up for the toilet there. 2-inch coming out. That's gonna go to the sink, come up and out. That is there's a bathtub on the other side there. That's what that is connected. That's gonna be the shower. It's gonna be a vent on top. It's gonna come out through that joist there, over, and then the trap's gonna be right about here. So don't bring on the poop.
Not quite yet. Just a little baby poop.
Just a little poo.
Just bring on the little poo.
The little poos. Bring on the little poos. So I got some bad news. I think that piece I put in there is leaking into that cast iron piece. The trials might not be over here is what I'm saying.
Cool.
No. Not cool.
Cool.
So that'll be awesome. Have to fix that. Wow. That thing gave me fits. Absolute fits. Oh man, I just wish that wasn't leaking. Maybe it was just some of the soapy water that I squirted in there.
That's what it was.
And next time we come, it won't leak.
That's what it was.
All right, good. I'm still gonna bring stuff along to fix it.
You're not gonna worry about it because that's all it was.
My plumber gut is telling me opposite. I screwed up. I didn't go downstairs and look underneath there when I was here to look at the job. Or I didn't realize that that was gonna be right above the cabinets. I should have known that. Not that it would have changed much. I still would have taken the job. I could have bid more. I thought we were gonna be able to cut right underneath it, fit the snapper over it, call it a day. 4:30. Headed out. Down the steep driveway. Just get me home, dude. Get me home.